So we're here in Kansai Airport. We're in transit to Namba. So we rode the Nankai Express. So we'll be waiting for that Shider looking. Shider ba? Parang I don't know what it's called, but parang superhero ng Japan, diba? So I'm here. This is not it. This is, I think, the regular train with multiple stops. So in Japan, I think, or in Osaka, on the way to Namba, there's two different lines. So yung JR is heading to towards Osaka, and I think meron mga straight passes doon going to Kyoto and Kobe, right, or Nara. So also, other than that, yung mga express trains na yan, ayun o, I'm not sure kung nakikita nyo, pero if you see, nandun sa kabila yung Hello Kitty train, no, that's the one that's from here, or kicks to Umeda, or was it Umeda? Yeah, Osaka, Umeda, yan. Shin Osaka going Kyoto, yan. No, so dito side, yun nga yung sinasabi ko kanina na regular, no, yung maraming stops. We opted to choose the Nankai Rapid, no, R-A-P-T. Ano ba? Tama ba? Rapid. Parang gano'n. So we're here. So weather is very nice. Actually, it's somewhat around, I think this is going, I think, mga 20 to 21 degrees, no? So I'm gonna show you some of the, well, this is the platform going to Namba nga, no? But ito yung map. Let me show you the map. So there, no? So Kansai Airport is right over here. Nandito tayo ngayon. Then it goes all the way to, diba? It goes straight to Namba, no? So ito na yung sinasabi ko, Namba Station. Tapos yung JR, no, sasakyan mo na isa. Pag sumakay ka ng JR from the airport, it's gonna head all the way to Osaka. I think itong Namba na to meron pang, ayan o, may Shin Imamiya, ayan o, Shin Imamiya Station, Kohama, o Tennoji, no? Tennoji, nandyan yung may tower, yung may zoo, nandito yung Haruka's 300, no? But we're heading to Namba, no? So here's the entire map, no? So masyado siya malaki. So here are the platforms. Not sure kung naintindihan ko yan, but basta sabi dito daw kami sasakay, no? Ayun, there you go. This is the limited rapid. So tama ako, rapid, pero yan, no, colon T, rapid, no? So there's the paki-screenshot na lang if you guys want to see, no, yung instruction about what car, ayan, no, what car, what seat number, no? So there you go, no? So it's going to for Osaka Namba. Okay, so alright, so here they are. Here are my family right here. So 8:35, we're waiting for 8:35. So my youngest tried the ice cream, no, kanina do sa vending machine. So there. So good morning, or sorry, good evening. It's already 12 a.m. So good morning, diba? So I'm back. Medyo matagal-tagal tayong hindi nag-vlog. So I'm walking right here in the famous, no, Dotonbori River. No, so check-in lang yung parents ko tsaka yung mga anak ko dun sa isang hotel. And I'm here out and about by the river, right? Nice ba? So the weather is real nice. It's about 19 degrees today. So it's gonna be a fun night, and for sure, no, it's gonna be awesome. Pagod na sila lahat, no? So ako rin, pagod na rin ako, pero I needed to do this, no? Just to see what's up, right? So I wanna see what's up. Here's the river, the famous. This is the famous Glicoman right there. Oh, nandun, no? So here's the infamous Don Quixote right here. And of course, the lineup of takoyaki shops are right here. Oh, still bustling, right? At 12 a.m. It's not as popping as like a regular dinner, but it's alright, no? Oh, that guy, you guys recognize that guy? Kikita nyo? Si Mr. Chuli. Anong tawag dyan? But again, we're here. We're gonna be spending few days here, but of course, as usual, no, yung non-negotiables, no, when in Japan, Don Quixote, the Glicoman. Ay shit, nakapatay, is that right? Nakapatay si Glicoman, no? Tapos some months back, or some months back, nasunog tong part dito doon sa may Ichiran Ramen, no? So but I'm here.
You just see her.
Later, let me crash in Don Quixote real quick. Oh, just a quick view for you people that likes Don Quixote. Oh, still popping at 12 a.m. right? So I'm right here, just chilling, no, watching people, and just wanted to check the place out. Oh, ano to? It's a ramen place right here. Oh, the usual barbecue place. The barbecue is right here. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, Mr. Glicoman is under repair, I think. Nakapatay yung LED. Oh, that's right. For the first time, I'm a little surprised that it's closed. Oh, super dry. Kasi nga it's a Sunday night, so we don't expect much. People are going to work tomorrow, but I'm here on vacation, right? So what the hell? So, some ramen place here. Oh, ayan, oh. To give you guys some updates, and the ever famous barbecue place of Dotonbori. No? Ayun yung Ebisu Bridge, no? So if you remember yung Ebisu Bridge, nandyan yung meron isang spot dyan na kita mo si tama mo si Glicoman, they turn it off, no? So dahil siguro nga 12 o'clock na, past 12, so no, wala na masyadong tao, pero ang dumi rin, no? Ang dumi rin ng area na to. So many smokers Too bad there's just, alam mo yun, no? Maintindihan mo eh why people or Japanese people hates tourists, no? Kasi ito naman, di ba? Ang ano nung lugar, ang dumi. Oh, so na. Oh, Glicoman. Glicoman is right here. Ayun na. So, oh, there. So there, you guys happy? Ayun, yung Wigo. Nandun yung Wigo. Diba? Ayun yung isang... Saan ba Ichiran? Nandun. Ay, dahil marami itong Ichiran dito eh. So, I believe there's one right there. So, I think dyan yung nasunog or dito ba sa tabi ng Don Quixote. But it's somewhere here. Here you go. That's Shinshibai or sorry, Ebisu Bridge at past 12. This is how it look like. So dito lang naman din kami naka-check-in malapit dito. But tomorrow we'll go to Ritz-Carlton. That's somewhere Umeda Park. No, so ano pa ba? Some trivia siguro, no? Yung mga tao, no? Especially mga tayo Pilipino. Pag Japan, uy, Don Quixote tayo, punta tayo ng Don Quixote. But the truth is, yung mga pharmacy na yan, yung maliliit na pharmacy na pupuntahan nyo, nalalakaran nyo na may pharmacy. Tapos may mga binibentang KitKat. Mura dyan. No, that's the truth. So, yun, no? Also, one recommendation is yung Wigo. No? Itong Wigo na to. So, nandiyan si Dotonbori. Nandito sa side na to. No? Pagka sa tapat niya. So, siguro papunta si Mr. Don Quixote. Si Mr. Don Quixote. Si Mr. Glicoman. Kay Wigo. No? And also, if I think alam na marami to. But si Mr. Glicoman is actually Filipino. No? So, yung may mga alam, sinasabi nyo, alam na namin yan, bleh. No? But again, Pilipino siya, gusto hindi nakakaalam. And not just Filipino, no? He was I think in that Olympics he won, no? Or that track event, no? He won. That's why it's like a symbolism of hope, diba, for the Japanese people. Because if you remember, no, yung panahon ng mga Hapon, pagkatapos ng gera, diba, lugmok talaga yung mga tao, no? And I think they use that as a slogan, no? Parang kasi diba, syempre, parang nanalo, nakataas yung kamay ng tao, masaya. So that means parang tumatakbo tayo sa problema, no? At kaya natin magtagumpay. No, not sure, but parang gano'n, no? So, ito na yung famous sa street, no? Doon sa kabila, pag dumiretso ka doon, nandun yung mga, alam mo yun, yung mga sikat na establishment. Some other day, we'll go there, no? But not now. Pero, for now, balik muna ako ng hotel. No, maaga kami bukas. We'll check out and move to Ritz-Carlton. Okay, but we'll be back here. No, we'll be back here in 3 days. Tapos we'll spend some, I think 4 nights again dito sa area na to. And then on the last 2 nights will be in Conrad, Osaka. No, that's somewhere Umeda rin. No, so badalo sa Okada City. Tama ba ako? Okada? Osaka City. So Again, hindi ko alam na may... hindi, okay. Sa likod pala to nung, di ba yung Don Quixote? So let me check the place out real quick. Then, we'll see you again tomorrow. Peace. Good morning, Osaka! We're here! Oh, anak here. Chuggy is my lovely wife. And my daughter, Ava Dasso. And Chuggy. So, we're around Namba area. Or sorry, Shinsaibashi. No, Namba is over there. But if you go straight to that road, it will lead you to the to that guy, the Glico man, right? So the place is nice. I like what's happening. So we're gonna go here, and we're going to my mom's place. No, yung hotel nila nakaiwalay kasi sila, no? So anyway, let me show you around. Anak namin parang tuwan-tuwa siya doon sa pigeon, no, yung mga doves. So no, it's like Doton Plaza. I think this is a mall. So people on bicycle, parang karaniwan na dito yan. Tapos, syempre in Japan, you see umbrellas everywhere, no? And what else? Konbini, vending machines, diba? So it's a Monday, so I think it's just a normal day for everyone, no? They are back at work. I don't know, hindi naman to city center, so tara tawid. Area na to, no? We just passed by the Candia Hotel. Ito naman Fujiya Hotel, and on the other side, you guys can see merong Dormy Inn, tapos Smile Hotel Premium. So this area is a hotel area, yun, no? Takara Belmont, no? So it's an area that I think tourist ditong spot na to, eh. And this is the regular taxi. I'm gonna show you, well, somewhere there is my parents' hotel. So, medyo ito mga ganito yung mga tinatawag nilang mga bar, no? Yung may mga host. So, if you go straight, di ba? Towards the west, nandun yung Shinsaibashi, no? So I checked on Google Maps yesterday. That's where you see, well, actually yung spot na yun, I'm not sure nakikita nyo yung stoplight. That is where the, well, GU and Uniqlo is, yung sa Shinsaibashi, no? So I'll be back. If you are in Namba, you will do conveni run. So I'm gonna do it now, but we're moving to a different hotel. Oh, pwede yan. Pwede. So here's the scene here. Iba-iba yung suit ng tao eh. Some are wearing bubble jacket. So some European people are wearing t-shirts. So at us, of course, it's light jacket season, but medyo malamig nga eh. I think this is gonna be the coldest for So, kumain na kami. Kakain na kami ngayon. It's well, it's what time is it? 10:30. So, it's gonna be dito kami sa Matsuya, no? And first order of business, of course, is eating Japanese. I think this is fast food for them, but here's the meal. Daughter of Instagram photos. So we're getting like a beef bowl. So ito yung expertise ni Matsuya. There's miso. So there are my parents are there, may kinain din. Then ayun yung anak kong isa. So Matsuya, let me see, no? Tingnan natin, no, kung okay. I think okay to, no? Wala namang, very rare na merong pagkain sa Japan na mahirap or hindi masarap, no? So let's see. Bon appetit. So Matsuya, beef bowl, sarap. Love it. Anong gusto mo? That's mine. So we're here in Ritz-Carlton, very impressive place. We walk from the Osaka to here, no? So underground, it's very nice here. Room tour muna ako, mabilis. Yan na. Kaya ako ipagpagano ako. Room tour. This is our room. So let me just do a quick room tour. So here's the toilet. Very fancy toilet, I see. Okay, there's a tub and the standard toilet. Oh, automatic. Wow, I'm impressed. automatic toilet. There's okay, the closet is here. The closet. Luggage here. The standard minibar, of course. And here's the spacious bedroom. Wow, it's fixed with an extra one for kids and very elegant, like an office. If you're working, there's a desk here, a large TV, everything on it. So perfect. That's our room. Hello, so we're back. Ito, we're just in the hotel. Sama kay parents ko, mom and dad. Mama, pa, kumusta? Ano masasabi mo sa Osaka, sa Ritz-Carlton, Osaka?
Siyempre, para sa mga rich people lang to. We are not a contractor, Nepo baby or Nepo family, but we check in Ritz Hotel because we are rich.
Rich in friends.
Rich in friends and values.
Yes, values.
Spiritual values.
Oh, yes. Migo, what are you doing? What are you drawing? Let me see. Oh, you're doing the thing? Oh, 6, 7. Do the 6, 7.
6, 7.
Okay. Oh, Ava, that's your special cut for there, a teenage daughter. So, are you having fun, Ava? Okay, do you like it here? Kind of fancy. It's, I think, remodeled, but it's nice. Monday. So we are back walking. Punta kami ng Umeda Sky from Ritz-Carlton. Nilalakad lang naman to, but we'll see. No? So it's nothing to show here, but gusto ko lang masabi na yung underground system nila dito ang ganda. So alam mo yun, from the hotel to here, from the subway, ang layo, no? Layo nilakad namin, but it's all, alam mo yun, small, covered. No? Hindi pa namin na-explore papunta doon sa HEP 5, mga ganun. No? So, see you later. Oh, here we are. Konti na lang. That's Umeda Sky. See? Oh, mamaya, doon tayo sa taas. Let's check, no, kung anong masaya dyan. So, going in, I think we have we'll try to use Klook, no? So, for now, wala pa akong Klook. Yung partner program or what have you, I don't know. So, tingnan natin. Ito mga kotse. Tingnan natin yung mga itsura. Sa Subaru. Toyota. Ganda, ba't wala sa atin ito? Ito is hybrid, parang to. Pero ganda nun yung isa. Ito sa Jeep. So, Shangri-La daw. What's up, Shangri-La? So, nandito kami sa baba ng Umeda Sky Building. Parang, ano bang tawag dito? Basement floor eh. Parang has something to do with siya, no? Pakita ko sa inyo yung tsura. So it's the Takimi Lane Underground Food Street Restaurant. So parang kinokopya niya yung 1920s Japan daw, no, na theme. So ganda ng lugar, marami kapag pipilian. So here, pakita ko sa inyo yung tsura. And I'll just go around. Merong parang zoo. alleyways ng Japan. No? So, they are checking on how 1920s Japan looks like. Pero food court siya, no? Kaya yung term natin dito, food court. So, ayun daw, pinapakita yung mga scene ng 1920s. Ganito yung itsura, no? Yung mga restaurants. Yan, no? May mga antiques siya sa mga wall. So, yung mga izakaya pa nung araw, no? So, ayan yung mga menu for you to check.
Yan ang mga 890.
Karagi. Sige, punta na kayo doon. Meron na sila nagustuhan doon, but I'll show you around. No? Para makita niyo yung mga tsura ng menu. Sige, doon na daw kayo. Yan, galing oh. So, parang yung mga alleyway sa Kyoto, no? It resembles the 1920 Japan. Rewind 1920, circa 1920 Japan, no? So, interesting place, no? So, nasa baba siya ng Umeda Sky Building. That's first floor of, basement floor. First, B1, no? Parang ganun. B1. So, yan, merong mga Kobe beef meal, Wagyu steak, of course. So siguro the Wagyu I'll reserve it to Kobe na mismo, no? That yung lamppost, no? It's ganda oh, antique. So very nice place, no? Very nice place. So ayan. Ito merong isang tindahan dito na kasi yung iba, no, kanya-kanya ng yung Japan din, ano siya eh, no? This is parang sa Pilipinas, no? Pag sinabi mong adobo, iba-ibang version yan, no? So, pagalingan ng adobo, no? Not sure sino yung pinakamagaling sa adobo sa Pilipinas or sa anong probinsya. Pero, what it says is that, yun nga, kanya-kanya, ano yun, may kanya-kanya silang ingredient na iba-iba. So, if you remember, yung adobo pinag-usapan natin, no? Diba? May, kasi sa Pampanga, I think mayroong adobong puti. Tawagin mo adobong puti is, alam mo yun, having said that it's white or puting adobo, mas dominant yung suka, no? Kaysa doon sa toyo, no? Di ba ganyan yung ganda dito. So, too bad to miss this place. So, yan, may matcha place. Oh, hey, thank you. Appreciate that. I'll go back. Oh, naka-pre-taste pa tayo. It's like, what do you call that? Sorry? Japanese sweet. Okay. Okay. Mochi like that, right? Oh, mochi. It is mochi. It is mochi. Thank you. Up. Oh. Yung aso kanina yan. Ang ganda kasi nitong alleyway na attract ako dito sa itsura nung lugar. No. So here, the old school poso of Japan. Ganyan pala itsura. No? Ayan o. Nice, nice. Oh. Yung Pusho Imenari. Tama ba ako? Yung mga isang temple doon na ito yung kanilang I think poso ring to no, na on a big scale. So dalawa kayo no, sorry. Tram, yung sa Riles. No, yan yung parang para kayong dalawang nagsisiso pero tumatakbo yung tram siya, no? si Muning. I think totoong pusa yan eh. Na, alam mo yun, yung taxidermy. Okay. So, there you go. You have an idea on where to go. Pag pumunta kayo ng Umeda Sky, don't forget to see this place because don't miss it. No? So, finally, naikot ko na siya. So, may Indian food din dito. But, I think part of the highlight is yung Umeda Sky talaga. But ito nga yung side attraction niya. So, ayan yung mga pagkain dyan. We'll just check on what to get. Ako, hindi ko alam kung anong in-order nila. But, I'm going for the old school miso tonkatsu ramen. This one. Or, how about the spicy ramen? No? So, we'll see. Pwede rin to. Enticing. Very enticing. Deluxe ramen set. Ramen or karoda. Ano? Tonkotsu, masisoba, tonkotsu ramen, miso tonkotsu. Okay, we'll check. So, tapos na kami kumain. We're just going to Odero. Meron mga mascots dun na ba ayaw pa kuhanan. Cosplay. So, anyway, not cosplay but may marketing promotion na ginagawa. So, I don't know how to go to the Umeda Sky building. So, nakakalula, no? Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ganyan kataas. No? Teka, tanungin natin. So probably you'll have an idea how we wanted to see how Umeda looks like at night. So here it is, we're in Umeda. Nandun yung ano sa likod oh. There's the yung ano Umeda Sky. But right here, ito nga yung Umeda Sky. So we're walking. Hey, faster guys. If pag galing ka ng Umeda, going to the right, nandun yung Osaka Station, no? So, sige. Ay, wag, stop. So, I think the malls, these are, dikit-dikit kasi na mall to eh, no? So, but again, this is Umeda Sky. Behind me, ayun, nakikita nyo ba? Wait. Oh, there. Huh? Yan. No? Naka-face ano kasi, you know. There, Sky Umeda. Sorry, Umeda Sky, baliktad. So, ito, nandito kami sa intersection in between Beto, pero ayan. Ang ganda na city, ang ganda. Napakaganda. So, we'll go straight to Osaka Station siguro. Then, we'll be back. Ayan, napapunta kami ng there. If we move forward, I'm not sure kung nakikita nyo yung mga kung ano yung meron doon, but yellow and black.
Never.
Yeah.